Macam mana?
Pinamalawan shop.
You know what I got shop? You know what I got shop?
Go more.
Go up some more.
Go like we jump out.
Hello?
Hello, pull over.
What?
Police, pull over.
Who this?
Police, you're deaf. Look behind you.
Yes, officer, what's wrong?
You know why me stop you?
No, I don't know why.
You was on your phone.
Officer, you call me up on my phone, you know?
That no matter, you still the dep on your phone.
Yeah, but if you never call me, I'm dep on my phone.
Yo, you know there courthouse yet, you're not done with the long argument.
So what wrong now, officer?
Pick one, right or left.
You know about that no left or right. Me not left no money give. Better you write me a ticket, me pay for that cheaper.
Me not write no ticket, and you care me, I go write off.
Right off, you know, officer, I got you. I got you, don't worry, I got you. Wallace.
But watch you now. Where you go with that? Bird can fly upon one wing?
Bird can fly upon one wing, why?
How many wing bird used to fly?
2 wing them fly upon.
So me I go want 2 money. You think me can get drunk upon 1 money?
Because we have coconut cheese here, breadfruit cheese, mango cheese, plums, a lot of stuff. So Jamaica is nice.
You have cash up, my friend?
Huh?
You have cash up?
In our kitchen.
No, Bills. Not ketchup. well, baby, I say cash up, not ketchup.
Sorry.
Another line here that about your name Moses and Sodomism you dwell where the most is. Come a fraction vibes who taking off with the boy choices and keeping up funky poses. You're about bullet boss ring not roses. His warlord connect. One lad in the building on the premises. Bullet up a burn them up. Incorrect and incorrect me market. One to the burning skin. When I am a man start the earth let it up start the market.
Beards! Marsha! We went and turn up! We married turn up now, babe! We find the best makeup artist for your face, Beards! I'll let you shot. Hey, give Marsha this cigarette. Hey, you know how I'm doing now? Beards! Yo. Yeah, Marsha, man. We find the best makeup artist for you.
Marsha, that the top face.
No, you can't say that. I let you shot, man. Remember that, you know? Makeup by Cass J.E. We find her on Instagram.
Yeah.
Beards! You're going to marry there! Your face are pretty up. Beards, come on to come see your face. Beards! Marsha!
Back up, you.
Yeah.
Left your
Come on to come say that now.
I'm just wondering how you're doing, Mr. Great. It's so wonderful to hear you're doing great.
Yes, I wish I had done it.
You know you win $1 million today.
Iceland shows. Hello, good day, Miss Iceland shows. A raffle has been done and you were selected.
Huh?
And you are a lucky grand prize winner of 4.5 million US dollars. But in order for you to claim your prize, ma'am, you gotta send $1,000 US dollars. No, ma'am, I can't take the $1,000 from the money that you have won. Calm down, ma'am. No, ma'am, I can't be penalized, ma'am.
A few moments later.
Woman, just any fucking money, no? I mean, ma'am. Don't want to see that, you know.
That's all, folks.